Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj launched shakes Bihar politics. Prashant Kishore has officially launched his political party Jan Swaraj, causing significant concern for both the NDA and Mahagathbandhan alliances in Bihar. Kishore has spent over a year touring Bihar, understanding the political dynamics at the grassroots level. His appointment of Manoj Bharti as the party's working president highlights his aim to attract marginalized communities. Jan Swaraj promises to field female candidates and reserve position for Muslims target traditional voter bases of parties like RJD. Kishore's entry into the political scene is expected to challenge established political structures in the 2025 elections. Prashant Kishore to continue Padyatras across Bihar. Despite launching Jan Swaraj, Prashant Kishore remains committed to his Padyatras across Bihar, aiming to engage directly with voters. Kishore has promised to restore Bihar's reputation as a knowledge hub and create local employment opportunities to reduce migration. His policies include monthly pensions for senior citizens, support for women entrepreneurs, and agricultural reforms. Additionally, the right to recall will empower voters to remove ineffective representatives. With continued Padyatras, Kishore is determined to reach every part of Bihar and position Jan Swaraj as a major political force in the 2025 assembly elections. Manoj Bharti, Jan Swaraj's first working president. Prashant Kishore has appointed former IFS officer Manoj Bharti as the first working president of the Jan Swaraj party. Bharti, as the alumnus of IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi, has served as an ambassador in several countries, bringing extensive diplomatic experience to the role. His appointment reflects Kishore's vision of forming a party based on merit and administrative expertise. Bharti's leadership is expected to play a key role in shaping the party's strategy ahead of the 2025 Bihar Assembly elections, positioning Jan Swaraj as a formidable player in the state's political landscape. PM Modi promises tribal empowerment in Jharkhand. On Gandhi Jayanti, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, where he engaged with tribal leaders and communities. Modi announced the Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Yojana and Rs 80,000 crore development initiative aimed at transforming 60,000 tribal villages. He emphasized the government's commitment to improving healthcare, housing, roads, and clean water for tribal populations. Modi also discussed creating marketing centers for tribal products and enhancing skill development progress for tribal youth. His visit underscores the government's focus on economic and social empowerment for India's tribal communities. Sanjay Jha visits Bihar's flood victims for relief review. JDU leader Sanjay Jha visited flood-affected areas in Darbhanga, Bihar to review relief efforts. He met displaced residents, inspected community kitchens, and gathered feedback from the flood victims. Jha emphasized the government's dedication to ensuring proper food supply, with kitchens providing 2 meals daily under Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's orders. Accompanied by Minister Madan Sahni and MLA Gunjeshwar Shah, Jha directed officials to expedite solar light installations in areas without power. His visit highlights the state government's ongoing efforts to mitigate the crisis caused by severe flooding in Bihar.